Welcome back to Daily with D, guys. Hey, today I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about one of my favorite plants in the garden. It's my black magic Canna Lilies. And guess what? They have bloomed again. Every time they flower, they seem to just steal the show. But there's one thing that I notice is the incredible contrast. These leaves have a deep burgundy, almost black color that gives the plant its obvious name, black magic. Then when those bright flowers bloom, they really stand out against that dark foliage. It's one of those combinations that immediately catches your eye. But these plants, they've become one of my favorite additions to the landscape because they add a tropical feel without having to travel to the tropics. They bring height, bold color, and a dramatic look that makes the entire flower bed just feel more alive. Even though black magic Canna Lilies have an exotic appearance, their roots, they trace back to the Americas. Wild Canna Lily species, they're native to the tropic and subtropic regions of Central America, South America, Mexico, and parts of the Caribbean. But, over time, plant breeders, they have developed beautiful ornament varieties, just like the black magic Canna Lily that many gardeners enjoy today. One thing I really appreciate about these plants is how much they love the summer heat. While some flowers, they struggle during the hottest months, Canna Lilies, they seem to just thrive. As the temperatures climb, they continue putting out new leaves and producing more blooms. Here in Central Virginia, where I'm at, the USDA Zone 7B, they've done very well. They enjoy full sun, and they really reward you with strong growth and better flowering whenever they receive 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Another key to keeping them happy is moisture. Canna Lilies, they like consistently moist soil, especially during the hottest part of summer. I don't let the soil stay soggy, but I do make sure they receive regular watering, especially when we go through dry stretches. Good soil, it really makes a difference. You want some rich, well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter that give these plants the nutrients they will need to grow healthy stems, large leaves, and vibrant flowers throughout the season. One thing that surprised me is just how quickly these plants will grow. Early in the season, they're just emerging from the ground, and before you know it, they're towering over all the other flowers in the garden, and they really become the focal point in the landscape. Another reason why I enjoy growing them is they pair very well with so many other plants. Around my yard, I have gardenias, elephant ears, hostas, and hydrangeas. And the dark foliage of these black magic Canna Lilies, they just create the beautiful contrast with all of those different colors and textures. So as the season continues, I will be sharing more updates so you'll be able to see these plants develop and how the entire landscape changes over time. One of my favorite parts of gardening is watching everything mature week after week. If you have never grown black magic Canna Lilies, I'm going to tell you, you should definitely give them a try. They're bold, they're beautiful, and once they start blooming, they will become one of the stars of the garden. So I want to thank you guys for spending a few minutes with me today. If you enjoyed this garden update, I'd appreciate, hey, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be plenty of landscape projects, gardening updates, DIY projects, of course, and everyday life videos coming from here on Daily with D. Until next time, thanks for watching. And you know what? I'll see you in the next video. All right, guys, stay safe.